Hi, I'm Cameron and I'm explaining the parts of the volcano and how it erupts.
Hi, I'm Haley and I explain the parts of the volcano.
Hi, I'm Cheyenne and welcome to channel 205 Kirkland Science. Today we're going to talk about the eruption of Mount St. Helens in 1980 in Washington, eastern Washington, and what happened to the dormant volcano. A dormant volcano is when the volcano is sleeping. When Mount St. Helens erupted, it killed 57 people and injuring no one. To cause so much people to die, the large chunks of the volcano's crater blasted apart, and it also had a 50-mile height of ash palm, also known as an ash cloud.
When Mount St. Helens erupted, it once was a beautiful snow-capped mountain that, when it erupted, the snow cap melted into the Tweedle River. The river could not handle the water and overflowed, destroyed over 200 homes. The volcano took 9 hours until it stopped. How did this all occur? An earthquake of magnitude of 5.1 occurred before Mount St. Helens erupted. This caused Mount St. Helens to erupt violently and explosively, causing to blow its crater and form into an active and composite volcano. The crater is a bowl shape that forms around a volcano's central opening. It's at the top of the volcano, and that's what got blown off. There's also a little lava came out, and the place where it came out of was a vent. Now back to you, Cheyenne.
Thanks, Karen. The people that were affected went into a post-traumatic stress syndrome, like depression, trouble sleeping, irritability, and a sense of powerlessness. The area was rebuilt by the fast-growing dome inside the crater of the volcano. From 1980 to 1990, 74 research programs were funded by the NSF, also known as the National Science Foundation, to help find out if the volcano is going to erupt in the near future. And over 500 programs were started to pay off the expenses of the damage. Trails, roads in the park cost about $423 million, and the damage needed to repair the bridges and highways from the Tidal River in Johnson cost over $145 million. The total cost for all the damages were a little over $1 billion. There was an impact on farming. Crop losses in eastern Washington are at estimate about $100 million. In 1980, about 7% of the normal crop value went down in the affected area, and less than was expected intentionally. There was a lot of interesting facts within the 3 minutes. The lateral blast, traveling at more than 300 miles per hour, blew down and scorched 230 square miles of forest. Also, in the afternoon of May 1898, the dense ash cloud turned daylight into darkness in eastern Washington, causing the streetlights to turn on in Yakima and Ritzville. The Mount St. Helens eruption was the most deadliest and the most economically destructive volcano event in the history of the United States.
There has been quite a bit of vocabulary words in our news report, and if you didn't catch them, here they are. Magma is the molten material beneath the Earth's surface. Lava is the magma that is already exposed to the surface. The vent is where the lava comes out of the volcano. Magma chamber is a big pot of magma, and it holds all the magma. Explosive volcano is Mount St. Helens ended up being a very explosive volcano at the start because of all the dissolved gases in the magma. The crater is a bowl-shaped area that forms around a volcano's central opening. Dormant/active volcano is Mount St. Helens became a very active volcano, but after 9 hours of erupting, it went to sleep and hasn't yet erupted and going to erupt later. Lava flow is the area covered by lava as it pours out of the volcano's vent.
Thank you for your help, Haley. Now that's going to do it for